Good morning, guys. I'm about to drop my what is this, face serum. It is before 5 a.m. I didn't get to sleep until like 2 hours ago, and my mom is up roaming the house. I don't know why. I have a 7 a.m. flight, and I am not happy about it. If you are not subscribed, please take the time to do so. I woke up to an email from YouTube yesterday, and they are making it very, very hard for small channels. So any subscribe, like, share, comment is truly appreciated, but especially subscribes. So I know that I'll get way more views than I have subscribers, and thank you to all of my subscribers, but I need all of you guys at this point. Also, I'm going to take my hair out when I get there or tomorrow, so I'm not going to be walking around like this. I just hate getting on airplanes with like bomb twist outs and then it gets smushed. So tired. I also have a friend that's coming with me that I invited at kind of the last minute, but not really. And we usually go somewhere at least once a year together. So this is like a little mini lipstick, but it got so messed up. So my flight boards in like 45 minutes, and there is no lounge in this airport, which is fine, because 45 minutes is not bad. So I'm here waiting till I see my friend because we happen to be on the same flight. And yeah, headed to LA. Just landed at LAX. About to walk to get the rental car. Hopefully we can pick it up an hour early because we are pretty freaking early. We landed like an hour and a half earlier than we should have, so that's a good thing, but we sat on the tarmac for like 30 minutes. So we're back from In-N-Out Burger. Our room still isn't ready. They're like pressure washing the parking lot. But I'm gonna show you guys the beach view. You saw it earlier, but you probably didn't know it was the beach because it's pretty foggy. Or maybe those are low clouds, but I'm gonna show you one more time. So I got upgraded to a suite, and I'm pretty sure that that's it because it has a beach view. So I'm excited, so excited to see it, and I can't wait to come out here and play some games and stuff. I'm about to edit some photos. So I wanted to say how I ended up in LA. I was supposed to go to possibly New Orleans before LA, but then this hotel decided they wanted to work with me, so here I am. I really wanted to go somewhere where I actually knew someone, and I know Whitley in New Orleans, so even if I would have hung out with her like one time, that would have been worth it. But yeah, LA called my name. But if this hotel didn't come through, I would have been in New Orleans right now, day drinking on Bourbon Street, the huge. Get my memory card. Got my head shit ass hand. So I'm back in the hotel eating ice cream. Definitely forgot to record. When we were at the Grove, we went to this place called Mixology. We didn't know Planet Dailies was closed. We just got a drink, and some food. And then we went to a hookah spot. Definitely should have been recording. Completely forgot. Gonna do better tomorrow. Good night.
I get it how I live it. Wait a minute. I live it how I get it. Come the motherfucking digits. I pull it with a lemon. Not cause she ain't living.